Welcome friends today to Weight Loss Glory. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic on weight loss and in general on good health, that is exercise. So I'll start by again going back to my healthy lifestyle equation. Weight loss plus good health is proper exercise, proper diet, proper rest into consistency. So the topic today is about proper exercise. Now, any person who is approaching towards losing weight or in general approaching towards living with good health has to have understand that they need some sort of exercise in their life. Okay. Now, what kinds of exercise a common man, a common person can do can vary, but in general a person who is a common person, a common man can think about, let's talk about the types of exercises which a common person can do according to their age. We have cardiovascular exercise. You should be doing cardiovascular exercise consistently in your lifestyle. Cardiovascular exercise basically is, you must have heard this name many number of times. It's also called aerobic exercise. It basically it is the exercise which is very good for your heart. It increases your heart rate to a certain level, and it vascular, the blood flow into all your vessels and all your organs is properly rooted. So cardiovascular exercise means heart is responsible for pumping blood to entire organs of your body, to the entire body through the normal vascular all the vessels, all the vascular mechanism. So when the heart will pump more, it will more efficiently route the blood. So cardiovascular exercise is very important. At least you should try to incorporate when you are approaching towards losing weight, at least 3 to 4 times in a week, 25 to 30 minutes of consistent moderate cardiovascular exercise. Now there are various types of cardiovascular exercise you can do. For example, slow jogging to moderate jogging. I have a video on slow to normal jogging. Then rope jumping, skipping, moderate rope jumping is also it comes under cardiovascular exercise. Then I have a video on rope jumping too, you can go and watch that. And then biking, cycling, swimming, basically exercise which raises your heart rate to a certain level. And I would always, based upon your body size, based upon your weight, based upon your age, you should slowly incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your lifestyle. And you should not just start off running very fast or start off running a marathon. You have to slowly start, slowly increase your heart rate with cardiovascular and try to maintain that moderate increased heart rate for at least 20 to 30 minutes and make this consistent for 3 to 4 times a week. So cardiovascular exercise, you have to do it consistently, please. What good will do you? Cardiovascular exercise will help in losing weight, in decreasing body fat. It will help in, since your heart is exercised, your blood flow to all your body is very fine. All your organs will function to their maximum capacity. Then it will help you it will help you maintain your blood pressure. It will give you a very good feeling. Cardiovascular exercise, after you finish that, it gives you a very good feeling, a very nice feeling. And it will release positive hormones into your body, So there are n number of benefits of cardiovascular exercise. So cardiovascular exercise has to be done for weight loss, for weight maintenance, for general well-being, at least 3 to 4 times a week, at least 3 times a week for 25 to 30 minutes. You start slowly and maintain that moderate exercise routine for 20 to 30 minutes. That is all you need. You have exercised your heart. Do very slowly, do it as per everyone is different. Don't compare yourself with anyone, okay? You have to start slowly, and you have to do it according to your body type, according to your condition, according to your age, okay? The other thing is, next part is body weight exercise. After you perform your cardiovascular exercise, you can do some simple body weight exercises which are which will be very helpful to you. Like you can do simple push-ups, you can do your leg raises. Okay, so simple body weight exercise. I have a video on how to do a push-up. You can see that. And so body weight exercises should be a part of your exercise routine, and generally they can be done after your cardiovascular exercise. It takes only 5 minutes to do simple body weight exercises. That way you will be targeting, basically based upon your body weight, you will target all your major muscles. That should be the idea. Third is stretching. Stretching, people give, say yoga. Yoga is an excellent form of de-stressing yourself when you stretch, but